The only real trouble that I see with this position is that stopping out below here, this would be at 2.0135, which is a very, very big stop. That's the only trouble that I see with this position, is it's not giving us an easy place to get out. So a conservative stop is going to be about 53 pips away, taking it below the level here. What I would say is that if you are going to take a position up in this area, it should be something that you're monitoring. Maybe looking down. Let me go down here to an hourly bar. I'll go ahead and zoom back in. And you can see a breakout above these highs, taking a stop here. Let me line this up. This is 2.0153. So that would be about 35 pips away. That's a more reasonable stop, but you can see here that the market can still get there fairly easily. Even though there is resistance a little bit higher, you just got to be careful with this stuff. Okay, we are in an area where the most prudent stop, which would be below here, again, is about 53 pips away. This would be the conservative stop. This would be a more aggressive stop if you can monitor it. So 35 pips on the aggressive side, 53 pips on the conservative side. For the short trade, you can see here is the pennant pattern I was talking about. Very, very small. This is not really building much confidence for me to the short side. I think I would rather see that the market breaks below this level here, which is a little bit stronger resistance, which is 2.0136 for the short trade. Excuse me, let me write that again. 2.0136. And again, just with the way the market is forming up, you can see that stopping out above these levels here, which would be 2.0167, 2.0168, meaning about a 30 pip stop. But again, the market has traded a bit higher, so a more conservative stop is going to be up here in the 80s again, which, this is just one of those areas where the market is not making it easy. Because where you would be prudently stopping out on the short side, this is where the long trade should be triggered, and where you'd stop out on the long side is really where the short trade should be triggered. It's just the way the market is setting up right now. This really does, this kind of setup really does beg some kind of 3-bar reversal or waiting for a little dipper, like we saw over here from last night's video, in order to get in. So just to reiterate, short, because I don't think I wrote it on the screen, 2.0137. So breaking below this line here with a 33 pip stop, that takes it just above these highs here.